So what is quiche? Quiche is an egg and milk custard filled with all sorts of extras like cheese and, oh, hey, sorry. I'm Googling what is a quiche to be exactly what is a quiche. So it's an egg and milk custard filled with all sorts of extras like cheeses and veggies, and it's usually baked in a pie crust. And that's what we're going to make today. We're going to make cheesy spinach quiche. And some of you are already thinking, Mary, I don't like spinach. It's okay. You're going to love spinach by the time everything is good with cheese, okay? And everything's good with a pie crust. You slap spinach in the middle and you got a great, great meal. You can eat it for breakfast, you can eat it for brunch, you can eat it for lunch. Let me show you what the ingredients are. By the way, my name's Mary, and I am with the City of Mobile Senior Centers and Programs. Big name. I'm just Mary. That's all you can remember, just Mary. And I'm hoping you guys are doing great and you're all safe and well and taking all those precautions. And if you have gotten sick, I'm praying that each of you will get to feeling better, and soon we'll be all back together again at the center. Now, back to our quiche. You're going to need one pie crust. Now, if you are used to making your own pie crust, go ahead, make your own. But I got the ready-to-bake pie crust, and I stuck it in the oven for about 10 or 15 minutes, and there it is, ready to go. And it was on 400 in the oven. Now, you're also going to need 4 of these little eggies. You're going to stir them up, get them good and eggy. You're going to need 1 cup of milk. You're going to need 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese. You're going to need 1 cup, that was 1/3 of Parmesan, and 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, finely shredded or just shredded is fine. And then a little salt and pepper to your taste. You're also going to need this important ingredient, the spinach. Spinach. And that is 10 ounces. You can get the steamable kind, you can get the frozen. This is frozen and steamable, and I popped it in the microwave about 6 minutes for this bag, and it's ready to go. Now, I'm going to take, I've already steamed my spinach. I put it in a colander or strainer if you're from the South, and I put it in there, and I got all the water out of it as much as I could. Now it's ready to plop into my pie crust. And I'm going to hold it up. All I'm doing is putting this good old green spinach into the pie dish, the pie crust. Now, you're going to smooth it out, get it all in there. So that's what I did. Okay? Now, next part. I'm going to take my eggs, my 4 beaten eggs, and I didn't beat them too bad because they're good eggs. So I'm going to put my little eggs in there that were slightly beaten. Then I'm going to add my cup of milk. There I go with that cup of milk. I'm going to lay this down so you can see me stirring. Then I'm going to plop that Parmesan cheese in there. That's that 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. All right. Got it stirred. Got it stirred. Now, I'm going to add a little salt and pepper, just a pinch. Remember when I talked about the pinches? You're going to do just a pinch, but I'm going to add another little pinch for good measure. Then I take it and stir it up again, stir it up again, stir it up again. Now, I'm going to take that mixture and I'm going to pour it over my spinach. I take it all and just pour it all over it. Ooh, looks so good. Now, I'm going to show you that part. Okay. Now, for the very last part, I'm going to take my cup of shredded cheese. And I'm gonna sprinkle this cheese all over. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And folks, that is it. Once again, you put it in the oven, 400 degrees, and put it on there for 60 minutes. And guess what? You got your quiche. Anybody can do it. I can do it. You can do it. Until next Thursday, thank you for joining Mary's Mayhem in the kitchen. Thank you.